I don't got no type. Bad bitches is the only thing.
Alright guys, Danny Bro over here, and I got good news. I got a new mouse. It's the SteelSeries Rival. I mean, I don't know if you can see. It says Rival down there, but anyway, it's a SteelSeries Rival. On my Naga, my sensor was messed up, so I got a new mouse. I wanted to get the Chroma, but it was too expensive, and I wanted to try something different other than Razer, if you know what I mean. So I might do one of these click test videos like most people usually do, and I might probably also do a hand cam video, because in my old channel I realized the last time I actually did that was like 6 months ago. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.
Funny thing about talking behind my back is that it just keep coming back to me, nigga. Was off for a sec, now it's back to me, nigga. You mad at me? This ain't what I want, man. It's what it had to be. This is that late night working after 3, man. This is why my old girl was mad at me. This why I'm your majesty, man. The click is the tightest, the pussy the tightest, the drinks are the coldest, the future the brightest, the feet not divided, the love is divided, and I just gotta thank God that we got it. Bless. I don't know what I would do without a crew. Look like we robbed a bank, but all we make is deposits. Your profit with profit, oh God. I'm here for a good time, not a long time, you know. I haven't had a good time in a long time, you know. I'm way up, I feel